channel. You might have seen my vlog experience from maybe a couple of days ago for this game, but I am with MandNDrainage training and plumbing services, and I just want to ask a few questions, so let's get into it. What made you decide to go into the business and decide to do it?
You can answer that as it was your
So,
business.
I've spent probably nearly 20 years in drainage. Worked for those two gentlemen over there for about 12 months at Metro Rod, and decided that instead of my hard work going in the boss's pocket, set up on my own. So that's what we did a year ago, and it's been really good. Been able to sponsor the team today, or the game today. So yeah.
Obviously, like, as a business perspective, it's just like it's a good sponsor. But also as a fan, do you like all the privileges you get like this?
Yeah, it's an added bonus. Obviously, if I wasn't a Cov fan, I wouldn't be sponsoring here. But it's a perk of it, I suppose, and it's a good advert for the company.
Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the game.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for inviting us, we're really happy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Goalkeepers have never been quick.
4-0.
Good to see you, Andy. You were very popular here, as you are now, by a round of applause, but when you were here, you won player of the season, and you had London supporters and Wales supporters. What was it like, your time here?
Yeah, I was very fortunate. I had three fantastic years at this football club, and very well supported by the fans that were in the room and the fans in the stadium. But it just, I don't know, I just felt a warmth to the club. I was very fortunate. Mickey Adams brought me in. I believe Mickey's down at the stadium here somewhere anyway. But no, I was just made to feel really welcome, and that obviously showed in my performances, and I had a good rapport with the fans, and it all just seemed to come together really well.
Sky Blues, shooting to win.
Okay, Michelle, what do you think of the first half?
I think we a bit lacking in defence really. Missing Fadzi, do with him back. We're still undecided on our man of the match. We're not going to give it to the own goal. We're not allowed to do that apparently. But we're stuck between two at the moment, so we'll wait and see until the end of the match.
Who is your star player? Who do you think has played the best? For example, attack.
At the moment, I think Alan and Hamer are doing absolutely brilliantly. Rose and Hyam seem a bit quiet at the moment, which is unlike them. They're normally, Hyam's normally really solid, but we'll wait and see how we do in the second half.
With how you say Hamer and Adam really well, do you think they'll push on in the second half?
Yes, definitely. Yeah, we always come out, hopefully, now we've got the first half lead, we'll come out even better in the second half. A few more goals.
How good was it when we got down to on the pitch and that? How good was that?
Absolutely amazing, yeah.
It's fantastic. I mean, they do a lot for you. I know you're match day sponsors and I know it's costing loads of money, but they have looked after us really well, haven't they?
They have, yeah, and I just hope everybody else feels that they've looked after us as well. So,
me and Ashley's over the moon, ain't we? We love it.
Good. Hopefully, if business keeps going the way it is, we can do something else next year. So, yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Mo.
Full time, 2-2, last minute goal again. What do you reckon?
Literally second last kick of the game. Amazing. I'm so happy. It looked like we were really good. I think if we would have lost the game,
Does it come up? Does it, innit? Yeah.
We did drop 2 points, but no matter what.
But we won 1 point, didn't we? Because we didn't deserve to win, did we? Second half is hard, wasn't it? Man of the match, or the match day sponsors are?
Jamie Allen.
Yeah, well done. Brilliant.
Please put your hands together, Mr. Jamie Allen. Good to see you. Was that game as frustrating to play near the end as it was to watch?
Yeah, definitely. Second half, it was a ton of bricks for that goal. Obviously, the second one, that break for the goal, and then kind of hit us from a shock. So we had to compose ourselves and try and get back into the game, and thankfully we did near the end.
It was like, I mean, we'll talk about the referee. Let's go straight for the jugular. I wouldn't want to put referees because it's a difficult job, but he's a Premier League referee, and I thought the performance just wasn't up to scratch.
It's frustrating, isn't it? I think we get one every week here, I think. So, before we were at our time, he's kicked himself. So,
is that what the referee said?
dying to laugh.
Exactly what it is. All that time wasting when you're scored.
Yeah, 100%. Obviously, that second goal went in, we were doing it all vegan, all was, and obviously, our equaliser ran past a couple of lads and said a few words, so overall.
You see, we don't hear this on Saturday night. It does go on the pitch. Your season, you've been playing brilliantly. Technically, you're brilliant. But the amount of effort you put in, you get around the pitch. It's a good team to play in, isn't it?
I think we all give every game that jobs to do it, so we won't expect nothing less from it. So, I'm enjoying playing with the team. It's a good group to play with, and we've scored many goals this season. It's just he's the character of the lads that we never go really.
And Aidy got us booked again.
I don't know what that is, but I don't know.
Aidy's there every week if he's not fighting to get booked. But anyway, you are out on the match, and I would like to ask.
Take a step over to your side. Lovely.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so it's the next day now from me being with the match sponsor. It was an amazing experience. I really did love it. I cannot thank you enough. I was blown away by how much it was how amazing it was. We got to go out on the pitch before the game, and thank you so much to Neil and Michelle, the owners of MandNDrainage and Plumbing Services, for giving me signed Ben Wilson gloves. I just want to say a massive thank you to them, and also I was really mind blown when they decided to give this to me. I cannot thank them enough. I hope they see this video, and I just want to say a massive thank you on this video as well. But remember, down below there is the link to my actual match day experience and not just the sponsor experience. So if you want, you can watch that as well as this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I want to say a massive thank you to MandNDrainage and Plumbing Services.